Imagine walking on land that has remained untouched for millions of years. Now, picture finding footprints, 200 of them, etched into stone, belonging to creatures that ruled the Earth 166 million years ago. Welcome to the Dinosaur Highway. Discovered in Oxfordshire, this incredible find is one of the largest of its kind in the UK. These tracks belong to theropods, ferocious carnivores, and sauropods, the gentle giants of the Jurassic. 166 million years ago, the Earth was warm and humid. Oxfordshire was a coastal plain where dinosaurs thrived. The footprints reveal a story of survival, migration, and life in an ever-changing environment. Each footprint is a window into the past. From their size to their depth, they reveal the weight, speed, and behavior of the dinosaurs. Scientists believe these tracks can help us understand more about dinosaur social behavior, how they traveled in groups, and even their hunting patterns. Standing here, it's as if time has stood still. These tracks, frozen in stone, are a reminder of a world we can only imagine. A world where dinosaurs were kings of the Earth. The Dinosaur Highway is more than a paleontological find. It's a bridge connecting us to a forgotten world, and with each discovery, we piece together the story of life itself. What do you think these tracks tell us about the past? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more prehistoric adventures.